Hello, welcome, and I really appreciate you coming to audition for the I Write program. It's going to be a lot of fun. Um, Even if you're in person or on Zoom, it'll be the same, and it should not be anything that makes you nervous at all. All right, so bring your portfolio. In your portfolio, you need three things. You need one poem, one piece of fiction, so a story that you made up, and one essay. All right? That's easy. You can just bring it with you in any way. It doesn't have to be formally done. When you're here, or if you're on Zoom, I'm going to read your portfolio while you fill out this form with some basic information in it. Then we're going to do a real fun writing. I think you'll really like it here. I promise it will not be anything that you should stress about. And you'll get a feel for what we do at AP Maze. Then I'm going to read your information questions and interview you, just some easy questions. And afterwards, I'm going to invite your parent to come to our creative writing room and show a little bit, and we're going to say goodbye. I promise it's not going to be a lot to worry about, and I think you're going to even enjoy the process. Okay, well, my name is Mr. Hill, and you can get in touch with me. My email address is mc_hill@datedschools.net, or you could call me at 305-323-9739. Thank you again for coming to AP Maze. You will not be disappointed.